Prepare yourself for an unforgettable experience at Vita Student Cannon Park, a stunning student accommodation in Warwick. Nestled on de Montfort Way, this exceptional student residence offers a wide selection of en-suites, studios, and shared apartments to choose from. Sink into the plush beds for a restful night's sleep and focus on your studies in the dedicated study areas. Enjoy refreshing showers in the sleek bathrooms and admire panoramic city views through the expansive windows. And host a delightful cooking session in the well-equipped kitchenettes and shared kitchens, depending on the room type you go for. Once you've settled in, it's time to embrace the vibrant social scene. Grab your popcorn and head to the cinema room for the latest releases or socialize with fellow residents in the inviting communal spaces. Stay active at the state-of-the-art gym to burn off any extra calories. And when it's time to hit the books, the well-appointed study area awaits. If you're a student at the University of Warwick, Cannon Park is conveniently located within a 5-minute drive of the campus and a short 15-minute bus journey from Coventry University. On weekends, explore the diverse high street full of amazing restaurants and bars catering to every palate, all just a short stroll away. Why settle for anything less when your dream stay awaits you right here? Visit amberstudent.com and secure the keys to your new home at Cannon Park today.